You've heard it before. AI is transforming the way we work, making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. But did you know that you don't need to be a tech expert to use it? Introducing AI Builder, a powerful, low-code AI tool that seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Power Platform, helping businesses automate workflows, enhance apps, and make better decisions. With no coding required, AI Builder makes AI accessible to everyone. Use pre-built AI models for text recognition, sentiment analysis, or object detection, and more. Or build your own AI custom models in minutes. Why should you care? Because AI Builder helps you eliminate busy work, boost productivity, and make smarter decisions, all while saving time and cutting costs. Imagine automatically extracting text from invoices, analyzing customer feedback instantly, or tracking inventory without lifting a finger. AI Builder takes care of it all. It's true, Microsoft has various AI tools, and choosing the right one might seem overwhelming or confusing. Think of AI Builder as another tool in your AI toolbox. Which tool you use depends on the task and the user. For example, AI Builder is a drag and drop AI tool designed for business users who want to implement simple AI solutions, like categorizing text. While Azure OpenAI is a cloud-based AI powerhouse for developers and data scientists for developing more advanced capabilities. Ready to bring AI into your business? We can help you get started. Reach out today and see how AI Builder can transform your workflows.